Is your VTech baby monitor not charging? Most charging problems can be resolved with a systematic diagnostic approach. Let's walk through the essential steps to identify and fix the issue. First, verify your power source is working. Test the outlet or USB port by plugging in another device. Avoid using outlets controlled by wall switches, as these can be accidentally turned off. Next, carefully inspect your charging cable. Look for any visible damage, such as bent connectors, frayed wires, or damaged insulation. A damaged cable can prevent your monitor from receiving power properly. Examine the charging ports on both your monitor and adapter for any obstructions or debris. Gently clean the ports using a cotton swab with a small amount of rubbing alcohol. Allow the ports to dry completely before attempting to charge. Make sure the battery is correctly installed in the parent unit. Check that the battery contacts are clean and making proper connection. Poor battery installation can prevent charging even when everything else is working correctly. Always use only the original VTech power supply that came with your baby monitor. Third-party chargers may not provide the correct voltage or current, which can cause charging issues or potentially damage your device. If your monitor freezes on the welcome screen, this is often a sign of power issues or software glitches. Following these diagnostic steps should help identify whether the problem is hardware or software related. When basic troubleshooting fails, a forced restart can resolve software-related charging issues. This procedure clears temporary glitches that may prevent proper charging. Follow these exact steps for a forced restart. First, connect the power adapter to your monitor. Then shut down the monitor completely. Next, hold the power button for exactly 30 seconds, then disconnect the power completely. Finally, reconnect power and turn the monitor back on. If the forced restart doesn't work, try resetting your monitor to factory defaults. This resolves deeper software issues that may affect charging functionality. For a factory reset, ensure the monitor is connected to the charger. Hold the pair key until the device beeps, then press the pair key 5 additional times. Battery issues are extremely common with VTech monitors. The batteries have notoriously short lifespans, often lasting only 3 months before needing replacement. Replace batteries if they are over 3 months old. When installing a new battery or after long periods of non-use, charge continuously for 11 hours to ensure proper calibration. Keep your monitor's firmware updated to prevent charging and operational issues. Setting up router mode ensures automatic updates are downloaded and installed. Enable router mode for automatic updates. Use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only, as VTech monitors do not support 5 GHz networks. Check hardware and software versions in the settings menu. If these advanced troubleshooting steps don't resolve your charging issues, contact VTech customer support. They can provide device-specific guidance or arrange repairs for hardware failures like damaged charging ports.